I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Good morning, everyone. This is a contrast from yesterday where I started my vlog at like before 9 a.m. Now it's 11:30 a.m. Yesterday was earlier than usual, today is later than usual. Just cannot get on a schedule here. I'm currently getting ready because Alex, who is my friend and my manager, is coming over to help me shoot a brand photo. And so obviously gotta put some makeup on for that. I'm also gonna see if I can just get a little bit of other content while I'm out anyway. Probably come back here and get back to work like right away because I have a ridiculous amount of work to do. I'm getting a later start to the day because yesterday I literally said like, okay, I'm gonna go straight to bed now, and then I absolutely did not. I stayed up until 1:30 in fact, just working. I don't know, like I tried to go to sleep and there was so much on my mind and I felt guilty about not getting a lot of work done yesterday during the day. And so I ended up staying up and working. Luckily, I'm typically a bit of a night owl, and so I work pretty well at night, which is obviously convenient. It's not like I look back at the work and I'm like, oh yeah, this was done early. Or I guess late. Early in the morning, late at night, whatever. Oh my gosh, I just looked in the living room. Molly's sitting on her heating pad, but it's not even turned on. Does not surprise me because she just likes any little place to sit, but it is funny. She also is probably waiting for it to get warm. I'll turn it on. You want a nice warm heating pad? I've been loving this lip balm from Fresh Beauty. It's their sugar lip balm in honey. Just is like such a pretty natural color on my lips. I will have it linked down below for you. We are at Virginia now. There was a bit, we just messed up. We can't shoot the campaign today. That was our bad.
It's alright.
But it's fine. It's like not a big rush, so we're gonna do it next week instead. We'll just shoot a normal photo today. And we were like, okay, well, let's go get lunch then. And since it's a little chillier out still today, we decided ramen would be perfect. Sounds so good. Came to Virginia, so a little switch up for me since I usually go to Silver Lake, but I just felt like something a little different. Ramen has arrived. I got the tonkatsu black, which is a garlic ramen. It smells so garlicky. Very excited. What did you get?
The spicy chicken.
Oh yeah. Oh, also looks really good. I've never seen the green broth before. I guess because it's chicken broth?
Kind of yellowish.
Yeah. So we quickly walked over to the block. P.S. That ramen was so good. I'm like so full.
Better than
There's some leftovers. Just different than Silver Lake, not better. Anyway, so we walked over to the block where they have this really pretty like ornament display thing. It's sort of this like this big thing. I think I showed it on a day of Vlogmas already. So we're gonna take some photos in here. Back home post photo taking, and Alex is just chilling here for a little bit, waiting for his bud to be done. So I think they're gonna hang out for a little bit, and I need to get back to work because we are in a dire situation here work-wise. So a lot to get done. So I'm gonna spend the next few hours just trekking away at that. Molly, you like being curled up in my bag? I know you love my bag. Hey, why are you biting me? It's unnice. Freak. I'm having such a day. So, first of all, I want to say thank you so much for all of the really extremely kind comments on my vlog from yesterday. Got really vulnerable in it, and you guys just are always the best. Anytime I'm vulnerable on my channel, I always get a really positive response from you guys, really uplifting. And I really, really appreciate that. It seriously does make a difference. So, greatly, greatly appreciated. Now, let's get to my big secret here. This is like, I feel weird talking about it. It just has like been a part of my private life for so long that it's strange to potentially be bringing it into my YouTube life. Not that it will be that involved, but to be like a little bit more open about talking about it. So I feel like in a lot of my vlogs, I'm like, okay, I'm working, you know, whatever. And sometimes I get comments that are like, what are you working on specifically? Because I don't always say specifically. And that is because for the last 2 years, I have been working as a freelance social media manager. crazy secret. No, it's really not. I just have never really talked to you guys about it. All last year I worked at a company where I was their specific social media manager. I even went into their office 3 days a week, and like, you guys didn't know, had no idea. Just goes to show you can't just accept everything that you see online. And now for the past year, all of 2020, oh my god, I almost said 2020. For the past year, all of 2019, I have been working as the social media coordinator for a online marketing agency. So basically, I help run the social media for lots of different accounts versus my old job where I just ran it for their one specific account. Aside from that, I'm also a Facebook ad manager. I do web design. I do client acquisition. I go to networking events and talk with people. I pitch clients on why they should sign with us. Lots and lots and lots of things, and I have learned so much working for this company. It's been such a good experience. I've really enjoyed it. And so that adds into my income. I feel like I get a lot of questions about how I afford to live the life that I do, and it's because I have a pretty diverse income. I have quite a few streams of income, and doing freelance work is one of them. It's been a really good experience and really wonderful taking what I've learned doing it for myself and applying it practically in more of a job situation. I love this place that I work right now because I work 99% remotely. Occasionally I go into the office for meetings with my boss. Obviously, like I mentioned, I also go to networking events and things like that. I have 2 networking events this month, so you guys will probably hear me talking about that in 2 different vlogs this month. And I just figured with this daily vlogging, it was gonna be a lot harder to hide what I was doing. It definitely, oh my god, Molly back here. Yeah, I'm talking about you. It definitely is a balancing act. It can be pretty overwhelming at times. Sometimes I'm like, crap, I have to get a vlog up, I have to get a main channel video up, I have 5 assignments from work. How am I ever gonna get this done? And it makes for some pretty busy days. So anyway, there you go. As I mentioned, the reason why I'm telling you is because obviously during Vlogmas, it's a lot harder to hide. In addition to that, I wanna potentially start doing some videos about my freelance work. If you want me to do a video where I answer some questions about what I do, how I found my job, all of that, let me know. I'd be happy to. I want to do like work week in my life videos on my main channel, things like that. So it just felt like the right time to do it. I'm 2 years into building that part of my career now, and it feels like a path that I'm going to continue on, which is why I feel comfortable telling you about it. Especially in the beginning, I didn't know if I was going to even enjoy the work, if it was going to be something that I wanted to continue doing, if it was something that I wanted to do. But I feel pretty confident now that it is a path that I'm going to continue to pursue, at least for the foreseeable future. Anyway, so that is a lot of the work that I've been doing today. I had a web design project that I had to do. I'm working on some EDMs, which are email campaigns. So I have another one of those to do today, just waiting to hear from the person who I work on those with. Overall, my job is a lot of fun. It pushes me to learn a lot of new things, pushes me out of my comfort zone, makes me work really hard. And those are all great things, I think. Pretty happy with, you know, that part of my career, which is pretty funny because just yesterday I was talking about like my own personal social media stuff and trying to figure out what I wanted for that, where it's going, if it's going anywhere, all of those things. But this is like a part of my career that is working for me. So there's your contrast from yesterday to today on career things. Anyway, I guess back to work now. So my bad if this vlog is a little bit more on the boring side. This is life. Sometimes you just have days where you are doing absolutely nothing, seeing absolutely no one. At least Alex was in my vlog for a very short little bit. I've been home for so many hours and I haven't turned my Christmas lights on yet. Also, I should close this so people can't just look into my apartment. Can she plug this in with one hand? Yes, she can. Pro. Maybe I should light my candles as well. Oh yeah. I think I'm home for the night, so let's get it smelling nice and Christmassy in here. This guy's almost gone, but we'll burn it a little bit longer. And here. Yay, so pretty. So it is 7:30 p.m. Just got off the phone with Connor. We usually spend Thursdays together, but I'm just tired today. I still have some more work to get done. I just don't think, I sort of want to though. It makes me sad that we won't. Hi, Molly. I just think it's for the best if like, if focus in on some more work stuff today. Molly, do not sit on my computer. But I am getting sort of hungry, so want to have a dinner break. I think I'm just gonna have leftovers of my ramen. I feel like that's the easiest thing to do. And then I'm gonna watch some more Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. I'm on episode 4 of season 2 now. I'm binging it so quickly, which I am sad about, but also I know there's a new season coming out fairly soon, so at least I won't be without it for long. Look at this, it says, no ramen, no life. True. Sorry if today's been sort of boring. It's my bad. I had a whole thing planned about how I shoot brand deals and stuff like that, and then obviously that fell through, so that will be coming next week when I actually shoot that brand deal. I am so excited for this. Check in with you guys a little later. Cheers. Ramen was delicious. Probably wasn't enough left for like a filling meal. So I'll probably snack on something later. But I have these yummy chocolates here from the girl who I was cat sitting for. They're from Ginger Elizabeth chocolates. Oh, it's a place in Sacramento and San Francisco, which is where she's from. So if that makes sense. But they have been so delicious so far. I've only had 2 of them, but everyone is a surprise. Let's see, today I wanna go with maybe this guy. Looks pretty good, let's see. Caramel filled, so delicious. Also gonna snack on some of my popcorn tin that I have here. Yes. Just finished 2 more episodes of Mrs. Maisel. It is so good. It's like hard to stop watching it, but it's probably late. Yeah, it's 10:30. And I want to edit a bit more of this vlog before I go to bed, so gotta stop watching, unfortunately. Painted my nails, by the way, while I was watching that. Just the same color that they already were. It's, let's see, OJSM from Olive and June. This is from their holiday collection. It's such a pretty like rose gold color. Really like it. So anyway, I'm gonna do a bit of editing here before I hit the hay. 11:30 p.m. Definitely time to go to bed. These candles have been lit for like a long time. Gotta get the tree. Okay, like an hour after I said, oh my gosh, it's 11:30, I have to go to bed. Because I like had to take my makeup off and brush my teeth and everything. And then I got sucked into this girl's channel. Her name is Janelle Eliana. This girl's been doing YouTube for 5 months. She has 2.2 million subscribers. She gained like 1 million subscribers by her 3rd video. And at first I was like, what's the deal with this? And then I started watching and I sort of couldn't stop. It's sort of entertaining. She does van life videos. She lives out of her van. I mostly just watched her tour and then a little bit of this Q&A that she did. But very interesting stuff there. And now I'm going to bed. Molly's been asleep for a while here. She's like, bitch, shut up. I'm trying to sleep. But thank you guys for watching today, and I will see you back again tomorrow.
So